Participant.
On top, you will see you are viewing Olatuji screen. Right on top there, showing green. You will see view option close to it.
There is nothing like that on my screen. There's nothing like that on my screen. I'm
I
telling
think
you, there's not
because I
like
think yeah, because you are the host, that's why you can see it. We cannot see that.
you can't
Ah,
see that.
you cannot. Okay, when I say side by side, did you see anything?
No,
So you cannot see my screen now. You cannot see either of your screen. Is that what it
no.
means?
Yes, I can only see mine.
You can only see yours.
Yeah, should we stop share?
Yes, I can only see mine.
You can only see your. Okay, wait. Okay. Emeka, you cannot see the other person's screen.
No.
Let me see how. Let me find a way. I think there should be a better way. Standard side by side gallery. Swap video and screen sharing. Okay. Is there anything different now?
Nothing different. Not sure anything
Okay.
different.
We only have two people sharing the screen now. Emmanuel, Emeka, and the new guy. Okay. Only Emeka is sharing screen now. I'm trying to get the best way where all of us can share screen. Okay, can you see all the screen?
No.
So, but that means you cannot see my screen either.
No.
Okay, how many screen can you see now?
Just my screen. Except I stopped sharing screen.
Except you stop sharing screen. No, there's a way. I think I've done a class like this before where we share our screen. I think multiple sharing screen, meeting reaction, disable. Okay, do you know what we'll do? I wanted us to do it simultaneously, but now let's do it group by group. I'm going to give 20 minutes, 10, let's say 20 to 15 minutes for team A to do the work. Then the remaining 20 minutes for team B. Then all of us will now work together. So, oh God. Oh shit. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing now. Everybody stop sharing. Who is going to take the lead for team A? Who is team A? Team A.
Before that, I need to clarify. I have a question.
Go ahead.
So what you want us to do is to create admin groups, to create 3 different groups. One group will have read access, the other one has write access, the other one has execution access, right?
Let me put it this way. An admin group allocate resources to people.
Okay.
So admin 1 have the capacity to allocate, read, write. You know, I mentioned, I showed you just now the 4 rights. We have almost 4 rights. We have read, list, read, write, allocate. I think let me show it again, so that you guys, everybody can be on the same page. So we want the admin 1 to only the admin 1 should only be able to give people read and write and list permission. Do you understand? It's about permission allocation. That's work admin. That's the work of an admin. Admin is to give permission. Okay, look at it now. We have how many permission here? We have, these are the major permissions here for admin group.
Okay.
In an admin department, this is what you are going to have. I want to either list, read, tag, write, permission management. What does that mean? The list permission, the list and read permission always have the same way, which means a list, anybody that have list permission can only just see it, but they cannot make use of it. A read permission means The person can make use of the resources, but the person cannot destroy the resources. You cannot destroy it. You understand me? You can only just, maybe, for example, now, a document that was created, the people in that, this person can only give the right to people to read and make use of the resources, but they cannot destroy any resources. Why the right permission is that the admin group in that category can give people permission to write, to create a resources and destroy resources. You understand me? And if you have the right permission, you can tag, you can read, you can write, you can list. You understand me? If you have the read permission, you can list. But if you have the list permission, you cannot do any of them. That's what we call list privilege. List privilege. You understand me? This list and list is the same thing. So now, what I say you should create, the first admin group should have the capacity to give the read list and read permission privilege to user. The second person, the second group should have the capacity to give list, read, and write permission. Are you getting me? Why the third super admin should give the right to any of those admin group, any of those users, to also create, to also give permission to people.
Okay. So
in a company, the super admin always have this right. Are you getting me? The super admin always have this right. But every other, do you understand? I believe, are we in the same page here?
Yeah.
Please, I don't want us to mix it up. I want us to be in the same page because this is a very serious project. If we can be able to pull this project, I can assure you that I can say you guys are very good in system administration. This is a major project. This is not certification. Nobody's going to give certification, but this is a hands-on skill. Can we pull this project? Okay. If we can, we have Mr. Emeka and Mr. Emeka is your partner.
Mr. Emmanuel.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we have Mr. Taiwo and Mr. Olatunji. So who is going to take the lead first? Who's going to start first?
We can start in our group.
Okay, with your group. Okay. Okay, now you have the next, between now and next 11. Okay. Between now and 12, the next 20 minutes. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. So I'm going to allow you to share your screen and take lead. So go ahead. Your screen is, can go ahead
Mr.
and
Emmanuel,
share.
do you want to share your screen?
You know, I'm having difficulty sharing my screen initially. I don't really know what's wrong here.
Okay, can you share your screen then?
Okay. Can you see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
So I need both of you to be in charge. So suggest to yourself, do everything you want to do. So we are watching.
We're going to create user and user group.
No, yes, we're creating user groups. Yeah, not users. So
Create group and then.
So let's just use the same name he used the other time, just for one, so that in one. No need to add users to the group. So let's create group, right? I think so.
Yes, it's create group, you're correct.
Yeah, then we now go to that group and we go check permissions on a policy under permissions, I think.
Yeah. And then you say add permissions.
Add permissions. Okay, so truth service, that should be IAM, right?
Yes, IAM.
Sorry, my connection is a bit slow.
Then you click on the IAM there.
Okay, so for the first one, we're looking at list and read.
Yes, list and read.
List and read. Review policy. This policy contains an error. You are required to choose a resource. Okay. So where do we do that? Let me see. It should be down. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Are we supposed to click?
Granting
Also,
access.
are we supposed to click everything? I think so, because everything here is under list.
Yeah, it's under list and read, which he has that the admin one has the permission, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So resources.
Yeah, all resources. It's going to be all resources.
All resources. Yes, that's true. All resources to list and read.
Okay.
So I click create policy again, right? It's just a review page.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the name of the policy. We should call it admin. What do we call it? Admin one.
Admin_1.
Policy, have you? What do we call it? Policy is okay, right?
Policy is okay. It's okay by me.
Okay.
Okay, create policy.
Sorry, the internet is slow.
Okay.
So it's still loading. Abi?
Yeah, it's still loading, yeah.
Okay, so this is done.
Yeah, we're gonna go
user groups again. Admin 2.
Then admin 2. And has a read list, read and write.
Okay, so we first of all create the group. Admin 2 will be permissions.
Permissions, yeah.
Inline written policy, particularly for this group.
Services, IAM. IAM, sorry.
Yeah. What about the internet?
No, it's coming.
Okay, so actions is what I think that one is
the list, read and write.
Read and write. Then we choose the resource, everything under that. Yeah.
Yes, it's all resources. Yeah.
All resources under that. View policy, call it admin 2 policy. Policy. Create policy. User groups again.
Then admin 3, read list and policy management. Okay.
Admin 3. Group. Okay. Permissions, inline policies.
Services. And then IAM, and then
so this is for permission management.
Read list and permission management.
Okay. Okay, I thought you said okay, it's fine. All right, so for everything, all resource, review policy, this admin
3. Policy.
Create policy. Okay, so I think we are done, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Ogawa, we are through.
Okay. So you created an admin group. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's okay. And you are true. So
But what I don't understand is the alert sign with that is red be in
Because you
front.
don't have any users attached to those groups.
Okay.
why won't you have a user? And you say you are true.
We're not sure.
Okay. No, you didn't ask us to assign users to the groups. You just told us
Yeah.
to create the groups with those things.
If you create this, you've created a group and admin. I don't know if you are right or wrong now until the other people are able to do it. But I just want to give you an expo. And it's not complete yet until you have a user on them.
Okay.
So that
So,
user,
Mr. Emmanuel,
because you are going to test your work. You're going to
We
test.
still have some time, so we can do that.
You're going to test your work to know if the people inside, the admin people inside, if what they are able to really do. That is what we call quality assurance, to really know if what you are doing is really working well.
Okay, so let's assign users, Mr. Emmanuel.
Okay.
Okay, so I click the first admin group and
Is use the best IT practice. Thank God we talked about it yesterday. Use all of them. Best practice, please.
So best practice, number one thing you said yesterday was least privilege, Abi.
Okay. No, I'm just giving you an expo. Use the best practices. I'm not going to remind you. At least you guys were in class yesterday.
Oh yeah, Mr. Emmanuel, they say we use the best practice. The best practice.
I think we go and create the user. We don't come to the admin. I will call it an admin container now. We go to the user and then create user. When we create the users on their own, and they will come to add the user to the admin because the user must have already created them.
Okay. So do we use the existing users we already created yesterday, or I should create new ones?
Oh, I think we should. Let's create new ones. So
create new ones. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's just use random names. Let's use Jane. Admin 1, right? Are you okay with that?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So do we create maybe one user per admin group, or we should create multiple?
No, we are going to create 2 users per admin group to see if both of them can really do the thing.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, 10 minutes to go. Okay. All right. So
yeah, programmatic access. The other programmatic access.
Oh, we have to use programmatic access. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me not ask why we're using that, but let me just continue. Okay. Okay. Next permissions. Next is permission to add users to group. So we're adding this one to this one, right?
Yes, the 2 just created, yes.
Yes, good. The admin just created. Okay, so next tags. So we call this, what's the name of this? Was it Jane or John? I can't remember. Jane.
Jane, yeah.
So Jane, we can call this Jane admin gospel tag.
Okay.
Next review. So create users, right? Are you okay with that?
Yeah, it's okay.
Fine. Okay. Come on. Now we are supposed to save this Jane and John. We are supposed to save our access key IDs.
Okay.
Somewhere safe. So let me just quickly do that. We have yeah. Come on. Notepad++. I'm going to store it somewhere safer later. So my teacher is going to say, why am I putting it on no pass?
Why didn't you just download your CSV file?
Okay, good. But you said because you say it does not contain the access key ID and the
It
secret
has
key.
everything. It has everything. Open it and see.
Oh, okay. So let's say test class admin 1.
In fact, I'm not even supposed to be looking at it because I must say something. I want you guys, according to some lecturer will say, I want you not to pass it very well, so that you can come and block, so you can come and pay.
So let's go back to users.
Yeah.
So users, yes, IAM users. Sorry, my internet is a little bit slow, guys.
7 minutes to go.
Yeah, so we are creating. Give me a name. Frank.
Yeah, Frank.
Admin underscore 2. Give me another name. Houston. Admin
2.
Okay. We should use programmatic access. Okay. Next, permissions. Add to this group. Tag. What do you call this?
Frank.
Okay. Frank. Admin 2. What's the name of the other one? Houston, right? Houston. Admin 2. And what do we call this one? Frank. Admin. Sorry. Come on. Admin to tag, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just copy this, paste this here, and
admin tag. Okay.
Admin to tag. Okay. So next review. We are good. Abi, create users.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Come on. And download CSV. I'm not putting it in the wrong place, but anyway, it doesn't matter. All right, so I think this is this. So
so we have third guy.
Oh, sorry. Come on. My intent is to be different. So give me a name. What name do I use?
Use Rose.
Rose. Okay. Rose and what?
Rose and Vin. Okay, Rose admin 3.
Rose admin 3 and what?
Vin, VIN.
Okay, VIN. Okay.
Yeah.
Admin 3. Programmatic access. Next permissions. This. Next tags. So Rose, right?
Yeah.
Admin 3. Sorry, 3. And Vin. Admin 3. And Rose. Admin
tag.
3 tag. Download CSV. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just name this properly. Test class admin. This 3, right? Yeah. 3.
Yes, 3.
3. Yes. Okay. So I think we are done.
Yeah, we're done here.
Okay. Yeah. You are done. Okay, stop sharing your screen. Let's have the second one. Second team.
Thank you, Mr. Manu. Nice working with you.
So let's have the second team. The second team, who is going to take the lead?
Mr. Tayo, do you want to take the lead?
Please, somebody should take the lead. The time is fast spent now. And I'm not expecting you to use up to 20 minutes since most of the work has already been done. So I expect you to be faster. So Mr. Taiwo, you are taking the lead, Abi? Whose screen is this?
I'm taking the lead. This is Tunji's screen.
Okay, Tunji's screen. Is Taiwo still with us? Hello?
Maybe he has network issues, but I still see him here anyway.
Taiwo. I think maybe he's not aware that they are rounded up. So he's still believing that they are still here. They are busy. Taiwo, are you with us?
Yeah.
Huh?
Can I go ahead?
Go ahead. No, okay, go ahead. Don't worry. There's what we call teamwork. A teamwork is the act of bringing everybody into the stuff. Are you with me? So it's expedient to find a way to meet your contact your team member and bring him in.
Yes, I went to washroom. I just come back. Sorry.
Okay, beautiful. So Taiwo is here now.
So Mr. Taiwo, would you like to take the lead?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. So can you?
So you have
like to talk?
Yeah, just go ahead. I'm with you. Go ahead.
Okay.
I expect you guys to do it in less than 10 minutes, in less than 7 minutes, because there are best ways of doing it. So let's have it.
Add user straight. Wait, you can add user straight to it as we are creating it, I think.
Yeah, but
you can add the user straight.
I should go ahead and add them here right away.
Yes, I think that should be able to work.
Okay, but we haven't created the users yet.
Good. That is one of the sweetest thing that you said. So I expect you create all the users.
Yeah.
Then you create a group and be adding them to the group.
Okay,
with that, in less than 10 minutes, you are done.
You are done. Okay, so let's create users first.
With least privilege.
What did you say?
Hurry up. Create user with least privilege.
Can you suggest to me a name?
No, just use Ari. Anyway, any name is fine. Just use any name. Doesn't matter. Are we supposed to select the programmatic access?
Yeah. So I'm just trying to follow all the steps we did yesterday. Best practice. Where we'll try to give them a password and allow them to change it when they log in. Were you in the class yesterday?
Yeah. But we were told to use only the AWS management console. We were not doing the programmatic access. We didn't select that.
Okay, so I will check that. So let me know this out somewhere.
Wow. So you are going to be creating one. Go back. Create all your users. Don't add it to any group. Yes. Go back.
Okay, so
I don't want to waste us time.
I forgot that.
All your users, create all of them. You are going to have 6 users.
6 users?
2 per group.
Okay.
That's all for that. We don't need. Do we need all? Do we need to? Okay.
Okay. So
I like the fact you use name, because when you are calling something, it's better when you are using tag, you use name, then you put the name, the value there. The reason is that when you are querying, when you want to query, you use a name to query it. So that's a very good one.
okay. Choose more than one.
So if you are querying, you are not supposed to use the same tag. So if you want tag is enough.
So, but I guess you're trying to create this for all the different users.
If you are creating it for different users, you discover that all the users now that you are creating now have
Yes.
one group. So you can target one group. You can target something, maybe admin or maybe something.
Okay.
Okay.
So we go back to create our users, our groups now rather.
Mm-hmm.
We already created this one, and we're gonna add the first two users to it.
Yes, John, and
John and Harry. Okay, we've added them and permissions. Add permissions. Creating live policy. Choosing the service. So this first group has list and read. I'm gonna choose all resources for them. Okay, I think we're good on this one, right? So we create the second group. Create a group. Gonna add users. HR guys. So these ones are gonna have list, read, and write. Okay. We choose their resources. Allow them have such privileges to all resources.